Hi everybody, it's Cathryn from In the Pink Designs. A few notes today. They're having a Black Friday sale. It goes from November 25th to December 1st, and there is 40% off select merchandise. So check that out starting November 25th. I have no idea what merchandise is 40% off, but hopefully there's some good stuff. Last week I was out because my husband was off. My husband's a veteran. My son is going to be someday. He is going into the Air Force in the next couple of months. Sad for me, but happy for him. And my father, my father-in-law, my grandfather, all my uncles were all servicemen. So I thank them all. All right. So today I am making a project with the Pine Tree Trimmings bundle. The dies don't have much. They have the tree and then some presents, a star, a bow, and then some garland. All right, I think this is a little bit less than some that have the full big dies with them. I also wanted to mention I will be doing a kit this year for Christmas using the gingerbread set. It is back in stock now. It was out. So if you are interested in getting a kit from me, that's what I'm going to be making. And at this moment, it is available. All right. So I made a box that is obviously a window box. It measures 2.5 by 4.5 by 1. And it opens like this. Now, if you don't want to put the holes with the ribbon, you can just use a clip if you have pretty clips or something. Opens like this, and inside I have Hershey Kisses, the holiday ones. They have all sorts. They have Grinch Kisses. I didn't see the Snoopy Kisses this year yet, but I saw the Santa hat ones. But I'm going to stick with the traditional for now. I've tried all the other ones. They all taste the same, but I like the colors on the traditional ones. Okay, so what we need for this project is a piece of shaded spruce that is 7.5 by 5 3/4, a strip for the sentiment that is long, but it is only 1/2 inch high. I'm using the Traditions of Christmas DSP. We need 2 pieces that are 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. 2 that are 3/4 by 3 1/4, 1 that is 2 1/4 by 3/4, and 2 that are 2 1/4 by 1/2. And all of that will be on my blog. All right, I'm also using the 3 banner punch today for our sentiment. All right, I'm going to get my Simply scored, and we're going to start on the 7.5 inch side, and we're going to score at 1, 3.5, 4.5, and 7. Turn it to the 5 3/4 inch side and score at 1, 4.5, and 5. All right, now we're going to fold and burnish our score lines. Okay, your 1/2 inch rectangle is over here. There was a 1 inch here and here, and a 3/4 inch strip at the top. And this is what we're going to be doing. All right, let's start down over here. Go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge that square. Go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the first score line and wedge that square. And go to the last score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge up. So that's our first side. Now turn it to the other side, and your 1/2 inch rectangle's over here. Go to the first score line, cut it to the second score line, and wedge up. Go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the second score line. I'm going to take off the top rectangle and wedge this bottom one just a little. Okay, over to the last score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the top rectangle, and wedge the bottom one. My dogs are having the zoomies upstairs. Sorry if you hear that. All right, now we need our corner rounder, and I'm going to round the corners of both of these top pieces. All right, and that's what your cardstock should look like. Now we're going to take one of the two pieces that are 2 1/4 by 3 1/4 and attach that to the side away from that 1/2 inch rectangle, okay? The one that's right here. Don't put too much glue. If you want to use Stampin' Seal Plus, you can. But we want this not to leak out so much because we are going to cut our tree out. Okay, now I need some of my low tack tape and our tree die from the Pine Tree Trimmings set. I'm going to try to get this in there evenly and then tack this down. Hopefully I waited long enough for the glue not to squeeze out. All right, and this is less than 6 inches, so it should fit right through the machine. All right, that's good. I think it came out nicely. No glue really squirted. Was squirt? I don't know what that is, but... And then we have that for another project if you want to. I forgot to tell you we need a piece of window sheet that is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. I use the pieces, the inserts from my stamps. I just clean them up a little bit because it's free. So that's what I use. All right. Now I'm going to put just a thin line of glue. Hopefully this will be fine. Put it on the inside, covering up your Christmas tree opening. A little squirted out up there, but that's okay. All right, and that's what it looks like after you cut your hole. All right, now we're going to put our tear and tape right next to the score line on what's left of that 1/2 inch rectangle, and take the backing off with my take your pick tool. All right, I'm going to flip the whole thing over, flip over the side with the tape, and now the other side to meet it. All right, and this is our front, so we're going to put in the tabs and then the back down first. All right, and that is your box for now. All right, then we're going to put the rest of our DSP on. So this large piece is going to go on the back. These two are for the long sides. This one's for the short side on the bottom. And these two go on the front and the back on the top piece here. So we have to round the corners on these, which is kind of rough with my new cutter corner rounder, which I still can't find that little one. I don't know if one of my dogs hit it. Maybe, you never know, right? It's going to be in a drawer somewhere that I put it and I forgot. All right, so these are going to go on the top piece right here on the front and the back. Now let's let that dry, and we're going to do our sentiment. Now, some people stick it in here, but I have a harder time with that. So I'm going to take it, and I'm aiming for this middle one here. I'm going to stick it in underneath the side right there. And then I'm going to pull it to where I want it. And then punch that flag. Now, if you don't want to go through that trouble, you can just clip it by hand. All right, I'm going to use some Versamark ink. And I'm using the Sentiment Oh Christmas Tree from the same set. I'm going to try to get it almost all the way over to where the flag is. And then I'm going to use some white embossing powder. Now, if you want to just stamp it with Tuxedo Black, if it doesn't show up on the green, you can use a white piece of cardstock. All right, and I'm going to hit that with my heat tool. And I'm going to cut it down. About right there. All right, and then just for some interest, if you don't have a mini stapler, it's fine. I'm just going to put a mini staple next to it. And I'm going to put some liquid glue. No dimensionals in this. I don't know if I've ever done one with no dimensionals if it wasn't a card. And I'm going to have it stick off the edge just a little bit. And a little bit up from the bottom of the tree. Okay. Now, let's put our kisses in. Oops. Another one hits the floor. Now, you could put, of course, other little goodies or treats in there, too. And I think I need a couple more. You could even put some grass in the bottom if it's a little big to give a kid that much candy. All right, I'm going to take a quarter-inch hole punch and punch 2 holes. Okay, and then I'm going to use our Ral Red Shiny Ribbon. I wish we had cherry cobbler because there's real red in there, but I feel like it's more cherry cobbler. This'll do. Okay. And tie them up. And for the final touch, I'm going to use the Delightful Decorative Dots. And I'm going to use the shaded Spruce ones. I'm going to put one there with a small one next to it. I think I'm not going to do this. I think I'm going to put them all up here. Yeah, I like that better. All right, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, all my info is below. Thank you so much. I got a very nice donation to my Buy a Coffee PayPal. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. All of you. All the nice comments, the cards, everything is great. Thank you so much. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.